Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, as you know, that PowerPoint is a presentation software. If we want to create presentation, we can use PowerPoint. So far, you have learned how to create presentations in the PowerPoint through the PC. But today I am going to tell you how can you create presentation or PPTs on the mobile phone. So let's start. First of all, you have to get an app PowerPoint installed in your mobile phone through the Play Store. I have already got this installed in my mobile phone. So I am clicking on this icon. As you can see that this type of screen it will appear on the mobile phone. Here you are watching, there is one plus sign symbol. Firstly, you have to click on it. If you want to create a new presentation, there are different layouts and slide designs have been shown in it. You can select any one from the given slide design. So like this, a new slide it will be created. If you want to enter title here, then for this purpose you have to double tap on it. Now you can see one cursor it has appeared on the slide. So here we can type our text or the title of the slide. So like this you have to type your title of this slide. After that you have to again double tap if you want to add here subtitle. After entering here this title, if you have to change the font color, then you will delete the present text like this. After that you will select the font color from the given theme colors, whichever the color you want to select, you just select it from this, and after that you can start typing. You must be watching some change on the slide. Subtitle, the font color which I have selected on this slide, text it has been typed in that selected color purple. So in this way you will be creating your slide. Now if you have to create another slide, then you will be clicking on three dots. After that you will find all these options: new slide, notes, rehearse with coach, share as PDF, and save. If you have to create another slide, then you will be clicking on new slide option. As you can see now that the another slide it has been added in our presentation. Here also if you want to type some text, again you will double tap on the text box, and now here you can type the text. like this. So in this way you can create another slide. Now suppose your presentation it is ready. Now you want to save all these changes, you want to save your presentation. Again you will be clicking on these three dots. You will find save option in the last. You have to select this save option. Then here you have to save. Click on the save option. This save as screen it will appear on it. Now if you want to save this presentation on your device, on the mobile phone, click on this device option. Wherever you want to save it, you can click on that option. I want to save in the document, so I have typed it like this. In this way, after adding here the name of presentation, I have typed this file name, my work. So this is my presentation name. So it will be saved by clicking on the save button, and it is giving message saving PPT. So in this way you can save your presentation. On the top of the screen you must be watching. Earlier this presentation name was not shown here, but after giving the save command, my work, this presentation name, it is appearing on the top. So in this way you can also create your own presentations, own PPTs on your mobile phone. Hope you must have learned all the steps properly. You should also try this on your mobile phones. So that's for today. Hope you must have learned all the steps properly. Thank you so much.